Today we'll be setting up a Chromecast onto a Samsung TV. This is a new Chromecast, so just showing you guys what comes in the box, what it looks like. Inside we should have a Chromecast, a remote, a power cable, a power adapter, and 2 AAA batteries. So to get started, what we're going to do is take our 2 AAA batteries and place them inside of the Chromecast remote. Now I'm also going to take the power cable and plug that into the power adapter. And then I'm going to also attach the power cable into the Chromecast, like so. So on the back of the TV, we're going to plug in the HDMI side of the Chromecast into the HDMI port, and then we're also going to plug it in. That we'll head over to the TV and phone to continue the setup. Alright, so now I have the Chromecast plugged into the back of the TV. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the sources, which is here, and it looks like it's already picked it up, but if it hadn't, I would have just gone to the HDMI port where I had plugged it in. In this case, it was HDMI 1. But we're going to click that, and it's going to set us right into the setup process. So here, since I'm in the US, I'm going to select English. So what I'm going to do is open up my Google Home app. From the Google Home app, at the top, you see the option to set up Chromecast. So we'll select that. I'm going to choose the home and hit next. Let's see, looking for devices. And there it is, we found the Chromecast. We'll hit next. And now this is where we will get our code, QR code. And then you can see they're both connecting. And we will accept this. Close this. Does anybody ever read these? And we will put this one in the office. Let's choose our Wi-Fi. So this Wi-Fi is obviously going to be the Wi-Fi in your house. Just put in the password. And now we can see it is connecting. And TV looks like it's connected. Now we're just waiting on the app. And there we go. That one is also connected. There we go. So now we will sign in with my Google account. So I'm going to blur my email out so you guys can't see that. If I want to use Face ID, we can do that. We are signed in. Got an email. looks like we need a restart. So let's go ahead and do that. Accept. All right. Pretty fine. Continue. So it looks like they're downloading the system update and it'll restart soon. So search across TV, all your TV apps. Search across all your TV apps. Sure, why not? Set up voice match on devices. We'll do that. Okay. Activate the voice match. Yeah, we're gonna skip this one for now. And looks like this update is just about done. Say no thanks to that. Oh man, I swear YouTube, they're always trying to get me to get YouTube Premium, but we'll say no thanks. And here, it looks like we can add all of our subscriptions. I have Spotify, Netflix, Disney, Hulu, Prime. I don't have HBO Max, I canceled it. I think I have Apple TV, but I never go there. I gotta get these things in order, but we will just hit next for now. Choose an ambient mode. Actually, let's just use Google Photos. That's fine with me. Slideshow, select memories will be created. Okay, just waiting on this update. Almost there. Come on, Google. Next. Not sure what that's about, but we'll select it. Next. Stay in the know. Say no thanks to that. We're almost done. So we've set up the TV. I guess we set up ambient mode. Oh yeah, so that picture before, I don't use Google Photos, but I did put a picture there just to play with it a little bit. So I guess that'll be my ambient mode. Setup here is finished. Complete setup on the TV screen with the remote. Cool. So it looks like that's just about ready. Alright, done here. Now let's see what we need to do on the TV. Google TV. So it looks like we need to reestablish our network connection after that quick update. And it's connected. Oh, looks like we gotta install some apps. Alright, so your Google TV remote is set up, which is funny because I actually didn't do anything with it. So your Google TV remote can now control the power and volume on this device. Continue recommendations. Wow, so it looks like this is going to take some time to install as it's only at 2%. Oh, there we go. So now it looks like we'll be adding finishing touches. So that did take a decent amount of time. I'm going to say that was like 6, 7, 8 minutes. And with that, it looks like we can start exploring. And there you go. That is how we set up a Google Chromecast on a Samsung TV. So guys, if this was helpful for you, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. See ya.